In this video, we will take a look at the history of the C++ programming language. In 1979, the development of a project called C with Classes began at Bell Labs by a gentleman named Bjorn Strostrup. This project was eventually renamed C++, and the first version of C++ was released in 1985. 1998 marked a key milestone in C++ history for two reasons. A new version of C++ was released, C++ 98, and the ISO began standardizing C++. Each C++ version has the last two digits of the year it was released. In 2003, C++ 03 was released. This was followed by C++ 11 in 2011, and after that, a new version of C++ has been released every 3 years. It was followed by C++ 14, C++ 17, and most recently C++ 20 in 2020. The next version of C++ is slated to be released in 2023.